Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. It still feels so surreal to say, and I'm super excited just to have you guys follow me through this crazy journey that I have started probably around 6 months ago. So I am super stoked for you guys to be here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Also give this video a thumbs up, or if you happen to catch any of my other videos, please give that one a thumbs up as well too. I don't have very many, but whichever ones that you do go watch, you guys don't forget to give those ones a thumbs up as well too. Again, that just really does help me and it boosts me up. I get to do more here, so I would truly from the bottom of my heart really honestly appreciate that. I don't think I can say thank you enough, or really more than I already have. So that's it, you guys. Let's get going. I just wanted to honestly really quickly chat about the new mascara that we just launched the first week of August, I want to say. So for those of you guys that don't know, I am a Younique presenter, and again, I've been on this journey for about 6 months, so not too long, but we did just launch a new mascara and it is honestly amazing. So I wanted to chat about that. I will post another video just explaining the difference between all of the mascaras that we do have and why you would pick one compared to the other. So stay tuned for that video, you guys. I will announce when that is. So I will also drop my Facebook as well as my Instagram, so you guys can totally follow me on there. I'm on Facebook every single day as well as my Instagram, so you guys get to see more of me on there as well as on here. So 3 platforms, you guys, that you can follow me and watch and just be a part of this crazy journey that I am so blessed to have. So let's get going. So this is what the mascara looks like. So it comes in this beautiful box. Again, it is just so beautiful to look at. I didn't open the box for probably like a few hours because it was just so dang pretty to look at. But when you open that little bad boy up, this is what the mascara is going to look like. So it's a double wand. I'm just going to show you guys. So this is the thicker wand right here. Again, it has the beautiful big sparse bristles, so again, really going to help you with that separation. And then you're also going to get the little bitty guy right there. So again, really tiny. It's going to give you the ability to get into those little guys that you're not able to catch onto. So again, the way this wand was built is just to really help you with those inner lashes and outer lashes that we're not able to grab to. And so that's what that looks like. So again, we're just going to, honestly, I'll talk about what the ingredients are in here, what that looks like for myself and how I apply it, because there's definitely different ways that you can apply it, but I'm going to show you my take on it and my personal opinion on how to wear it. But again, everyone's a little bit different, so again, it will just be trial and error, and my suggestion would be wear it one way on one eye and one way on the other eye, and you'll kind of tell the difference between the two, and then you'll kind of see which one you prefer better. So again, I always go in with the Lash primer, which is this white little guy right here. And then I'm also going to go in with the Twisted Mascara. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply that. Again, I like to have a mirror pretty close to me. So I actually have one just kind of sitting up front that way. I am going to just take another one just so that I can kind of get to those inner lashes just in case. So I'm going to go in with our Lash primer. And again, I'm just kind of taking very tiny smidge on the wand. A lot of these products, a little amount will go a long way. So again, I have a mirror right down where I'm looking, and I'm actually just going to take the wand, and this is the primer, and I'm just going to lightly, because I'm going to show you one eye done and one eye not done, and you will see the difference. It's crazy. I don't know why I whispered, but you will see the amazingness of this mascara. So when I go in with the Lash primer, I like to go in just at the top lashes. I do not do the bottom lashes. And just a nice light layer. And then I like to have it still quite tacky. And when I mean tacky, I mean sticky. So it's not super dry, only because when it is a little more dry, I do find it's a little harder to move your lashes in a certain direction. So when it's still a little tacky, you're able to kind of go in and just pick your lashes and just move them where you feel like you want them to be. So I like it to be still tacky. So I kind of feel them out, see how they feel. It feels decently okay. So the nice little trick for that is 10 to 20 seconds. 20 seconds might actually be too long. So 10 seconds is probably more than enough. And then I'm going to take the big wand. So that's what that looks like. Just going to kind of flip that so you guys can see. So I'm going to take this wand, and I'm going to use this one first. And you guys, the nice thing about this mascara. So let's talk about the ingredients and what they do. It's got biotin in it, and we all know we take biotin gummies, we take biotin tablets, we kind of take all of that because we want to get really beautiful, long, luscious hair. We want beautiful eyebrows, we want beautiful lashes. So again, biotin is really going to help with the growth. Keratin will do the exact same as well too. So again, that's really going to give strength to your lashes. Same thing as argan oil. So again, those three ingredients are super key, and that's what makes it so beautiful, is because it's got all three ingredients that are really going to help with getting your lashes really nice and strong, lengthening them, giving them a really nice volume as well too. So again, I love doing the big wand first, and then I go in with the little one, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what that does. So the big one, again, will just help with really just spreading my lashes out, getting that really beautiful separation. And this can honestly be a very simple classic look, so you can just go in with the one coat just like so, and you guys can already tell the difference. Like, look at this eye compared to this eye. I look at myself and I'm like, I can't look at myself without mascara. So now I'm going to go in with the little wand now, and that's what that looks like. You guys can see that, like very, very tiny. Again, the way this wand is, it's a spiral effect. So it is just a round brush compared to the bristles that we were looking at. The bristles, again, were thicker, more sparse, so it's really going to give you that separation. So I'm going to go in with this wand now, and what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to take my brush, or not my brush, pardon me, my mirror pretty close to my face, and I want to look down. And what I'm doing is, when I'm looking down, I'm actually able to see those lashes. So fun fact is, we have 3 layers of lashes, and every 100 days you're actually going to get a new set of lashes. So as much as when we lose eyelashes, if you guys have ever had lash extensions, and every time you lose a couple, it feels like you have no lashes, it's because they're actually falling with your natural lash. So I love, love, love this mascara because, one, you can have it worn simply, so you can do it as a simple look, and you can also do it more of like a va-va-voom effect, and I'm going to show you that on this eye. But again, I will talk about the difference between the mascaras that we have in a different video, so you guys stay tuned for that, and I will show you guys. And I don't know about you guys, but to me, the one thing I cannot walk out of the house with is mascara. And you guys can tell, like, look at this eye. This one looks really floopy and like just really boring. And you guys, also, fun fact too, I have a bigger eye and a smaller eye. So sometimes when I'm looking, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to open my eye a little wider because the one eye is smaller than the other eye. But that's actually, you guys, fun fact. Everyone's got either like a shorter arm, shorter leg. It's normal. It's normal. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that bigger wand again, and I'm just going to lightly add one last coat. And this is just going to help with any sort of clumping that I may have. Because again, that big wand is really spread out. The bristles are spread out, so I'm going to get beautiful wear once I kind of go in with that last coat. And then I'm going to do one on the lower, just like so, kind of on the lower lash line, because I do want to make sure too that I'm kind of getting all of that separated. And then I love twisting the wand so it's pointing. And you guys, it looks so funny because I'm looking down at you guys, but I promise my mirror is right here, which is why I'm doing that. But maybe I'll lift it so you guys can see. And that is it, you guys. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful length. Like, this mascara is amazing. Like I said, you have all of those really good ingredients in the mascara itself. The perfect application with the dual wand. You also are going to get less wastage, only because the amount that you take off when you are pulling either the little wand out or the bigger wand, you're getting the exact amount of product that you need. This happens to me all the time, you guys. I am horrible for putting mascara because it either touches the top of my lid or I'll get some in the corner there. And so wait for it to dry, and then I just take a little spoolie and I just brush it off, and that's what that looks like. So let me just look straight so you guys can tell. Look at the difference on this side. And look at the difference on this side. Do you see how just a tiny smidge of mascara makes it a look completely different? I'm looking at myself at the mirror, you guys, here, and I literally am like, I can't even believe it. Like, this side of my face looks so sad, but this side is like, I don't know about you guys, but I truly am loving this mascara. So let's do the other eye, but you guys don't have to watch this because, you know, it'll just take a couple seconds. So we're gonna fast forward through this. So now that I've done the other eye, I'm just gonna, you guys saw, I always do this. This is so normal for me to honestly get it all over my brows. It's just, I don't know what it is, you guys. I can never do it. It just, yeah. I would be lucky if it ever happens that I never get any on my face. But I wanted to show you guys, so this is basically both sets of lashes done with the twisted mascara. So again, this side's done, this side's done. So I just used that one on both. So again, I'm gonna go in with this guy right here, and I'm just gonna top off these lashes just so you guys can kind of see a little bit of the difference. So if you want something that's a little bit more va-va-voom, this is really, really gonna help you out. So again, you can kind of just take it, and the lovely thing about this one is it's really going to give you that beautiful volume if that's what you want. I personally love just the twisted mascara on its own, but again, it basically just comes down to personal preference, guys. And I'm always, my first few coats, I'm always pushing up against my lash line just to make sure that I am naturally curling it. So if you're a person that doesn't have, I mean, I think for the most part, a lot of us don't have like a natural curl to our lashes. And I'm going to go in with a tiny smidge more. I'm actually just going to focus solely on the outer. That's going to give you kind of like that cat eye effect. Because I always make the worst faces. Alright, so I want to show you guys. So if you look at this side of the face, this is very separated. You get that beautiful, really separated lash look, and this eye is going to give you a little bit more volume, so it does look like I have more lashes. Again, this is a fiber lash mascara, and I will talk about this in another video, so stay tuned on that one. But you guys can tell this eye has really got more volume. This is more spread out. So again, both different looks, but I love the twisted just as is for the look that it gives. On another note as well too, what you could do as well, and I do this probably for all of my looks, is I take a black liner, and I'm actually just going to take from the top of my lid, so the waterline, I'm just going to run this in the inner waterline at the top. You could also do the bottom as well too if you kind of want to do a tiny smidge. That'll just give it a really nice smoky look. What you can also do too is if you have smaller lids, I wouldn't suggest doing it all the way, but if you have smaller lids, my suggestion would be you can take, again, just a black liner like so. You can just take a black shadow, whatever you kind of have handy with you. Take a flat brush, so again, any flat brush that you have, and just take it to the top of your lid and just line your lid, and that'll just give you more of a thicker lash look. So if you are a person that you like that beautiful volume, really just strong lash look, that'll really help you out and get you to achieve the look that you're wanting. So again, you can use a black liner, anything that's creamy that you're really able to blend, or if you have a powder that you use, that would totally work as well too. But I hope that helped you guys. If you have any questions about either of the Twisted Mascara, the 4D Mascara, like I said, stay tuned. We will do a comparison video, and please, you guys, if you have anything specific that you want to see, if there's anything else that you guys want to see more of, please drop it in the comment section. Any sort of comments, good or bad, are good for me, and I would just love that. So again, thank you guys so very much for being here with me, for supporting me, for liking and sharing the video as well to you guys. Share the video to friends, to family, and again, like I said, if there's anything specific that you guys want to see, please do let me know. I am so open to that. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we will talk to you guys soon. Thanks again.